If you need to change your site URL in Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to update your site URL quickly and correctly so you can point your website to the right domain without confusion. This is really useful if you've added a new domain, switched branding, or simply want to make sure your main site address is set properly inside Bluehost. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple website and hosting tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Websites. This is where Bluehost keeps all of the sites connected to your account, so this is the starting point for making changes to a specific website. Now, you'll see a list of the websites you manage. Find the website you want to update. If you have more than one site, take a moment here and make sure you select the correct one, because you don't want to change the wrong site URL by mistake. Once you've found the right website, click Manage Site. This opens the settings area for that specific site, where Bluehost lets you control important options like domains, performance, and other site-related settings. After that, click the Domains tab. This section shows the domain names connected to your website, and this is where you'll choose the new URL you want to use as the primary site address. Now look through the list and find the domain you want to set as the new site URL. If you've recently purchased or connected a new domain, this is the one you should pick. Make sure you're choosing the correct domain before you continue, especially if you have multiple domains connected to your Bluehost account. Next, click the three-dot menu next to that domain. This menu gives you additional actions for the domain, and one of those options is exactly what we need. From the menu, select Set as Site URL. This tells Bluehost that this domain should become the main address for the website. Bluehost will then ask you to confirm the change. Click Confirm to proceed. At this point, Bluehost begins updating the site URL behind the scenes, so give it a moment to process. Now just wait for Bluehost to finish updating everything. Depending on your account and the changes being made, this may take a short moment to complete. Once it's done, your site URL will be updated and the new domain will be set as the website's main URL. And that's it. You've successfully changed the site URL in Bluehost. If you were following along, you should now be able to use the updated domain as your main website address. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the content and make sure you don't miss future step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.